आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello guys, today we have question from magnetism. A copper ring is held horizontally and a bar magnet is dropped through the ring with its length along the axis of the ring. So find will the acceleration of the falling magnet will be equal to or less than g. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है, copper ring है. Okay, so let us say this is the copper ring. Okay, so this is the axis. Okay, perpendicular. Okay, this is the axis passing through center. Okay, so now a bar magnet is dropped. Okay, so like this. Okay, it is dropped like this. Okay, through the center. Okay, through the center like this. Okay, so it will be like into the page. Okay, so now when it is going through this, so there will be change of flux, right? D phi not equal to 0. Okay, because see, for a bar magnet, there will be field lines like this, right? There will be field lines. So now because of these field lines, what happens? Flux linked gets changed. Flux linked will be a function of time. Okay, so now d phi will not be equal to 0. Okay, so d phi by dt is not equal to 0. Okay, so हमारा EMF induced will not be equal to 0. Okay, so there will be some induced EMF. यहाँ पे EMF induce होगा. Okay, यहाँ पे EMF induce होगा. Okay, ठीक है. So यहाँ तक ठीक है. So now there is a law called Lenz's law. Okay, to say the direction of this induced EMF. What does it changes? The induced EMF will oppose the change of flux. Okay, so now according to this, so let us say the bar magnet is upside. Okay, up of the ring. Okay, so now when it is coming down, d phi get increased, right? D phi will be getting increased, right? Because phi linked gets increased. Okay, phi linked is getting increased, so d phi will be positive. So d phi will have positive sign, right? So now since d phi is positive, the induced EMF will try to oppose change of flux, that is d phi, right? So it tries to make it negative. That means here it is positive, here it is positive, so EMF will try to make it negative. Okay, so now for making negative, it must, so the bar magnet is coming down, so to oppose it must go upside. Okay, so the magnetic force will be upward. Okay, magnetic force will be upward when it is going down like this. Okay, when this is the bar magnet. Okay, mg minus f up. So our effective g effective must be equal to g minus f up, that is equal to g minus magnetic force. Okay, g minus magnetic force. Okay, so that means our g gets decreased, right? So our effective g is less than actual g. Okay, so what it will be? It will be less than g. Okay guys, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।